Hello guys, my name is Ashish and in today's video I'll be talking about the challenges of day 2, and the challenges was to complete the basics of blockchain. And in yesterday's video we discussed about the roadmap, what are the things that we need to follow to get started with blockchains, and our first step was to learn all the basics of blockchains. Okay, so for that reason, firstly to learn all the basics I follow a document that is provided by the IBM. Okay, so basically for roadmap, the things that we need to cover to get started with was what is blockchains, how it works, and why do we need blockchain. So that that are the things that we need to cover. Okay, so it is a very good document that is provided by IBM, and you can find the basics definitions of blockchains. Okay, and the importance of blockchains, then the basic elements that that consist of blockchain, like distributed technology, immutable smart contracts, and how it works, that kind of things that we just need to cover to get started with. Okay, then I also read the document, like the benefits of blockchain. Okay, like the benefits of blockchains from IBM documents also. Then I also read a little bit about the security types of blockchain, like the public type, private type, like you can see here, like this. Okay, security of blockchain, you can see kind of type, like okay, like private, public, permissible, this kind of topic, just getting the basics knowledge of blockchain. Okay, then I thought that I also need to study a little bit deep. For that purposes I like to follow kind of video explanation. For that purpose I'm just searching on YouTube to get a very good explanation video. So and I finally came up with a playlist that is provided by the 5 Minute Engineering, and all the video very good. Okay, yeah, although I haven't watched all the video, but the explanation on all the videos very useful. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna cover all the topics, all the videos from here to get in-depth knowledge about the blockchain technology. Okay, in this playlist I covered everything, like the basics definition of blockchain, then the normal and normal smart contract, and contracts, and then immutables, kind of the things, immutable things that just explored earlier in the documents. Then peer-to-peer, distributed peer-to-peer networks in blockchains, everything, I mean every basic thing, the hashing, the importance of hashing in blockchain, the proof of works, then crypto wallet, then NFTs, everything that is we just need to have knowledge about blockchain, decentralized applications, Ethereum gas, everything. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna follow this playlist. Okay, to get knowledge about the blockchain. You can also follow if you like. Okay, and yeah, apart from this there is also lots of video tutorials available on YouTube. You can follow any one of them to get knowledge, to get basics knowledge about the blockchains. Okay, so yeah, that was the thing that we just need to cover for today. Okay, so yeah, after completing all the basics, then we'll move forward to the next step of our roadmap. Okay, so that's all for today's video, and I think you enjoyed the video. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, you can subscribe the channel, and you can also hit like button if you like the video. And thank you for watching the video, and yeah, bye bye and see you very soon.